Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Robin. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, hey y'all, hey. Okay, so I'm just going to get right into this video. This is going to be a hair tutorial on how I install these Toyotress Passion Twists. They are 12 inches and I will have all the other details down below in the description box. Okay, so I started by parting my hair in all of these sections using rubber bands. And here's the hair. So they are the pre-twisted passion twists, as you can see. You can also do it like that, the crochet method. I'm sure I have a video on my page how you do the crochet method, but I decided to do a different way because I kind of wanted a different type of look. Okay, so I'm taking two of those pre-twisted passion twists, separating them, and now I'm about to start. So this, I sped this up a little bit, but I will have a slower version in a little bit to show you more detail of how you do it. So you basically just start off by braiding the twist into your natural hair. And then you braid it down. You can do about 1 inch down. I think I did a little further down, but just braid it down like 1 inch. Then you just start twisting. So I twist in the left to the left. I just twist, twist, twist until you get to the very bottom. And you will know if you're doing it the wrong way because at the end when you're done, it's not gonna look right. And when you are twisting it the right way, you will know because you can feel it getting tighter. So yeah, just be careful of this because you don't want to waste your time twisting the whole other way and then your twist is not even right. So yeah, but once you get the hang of it and just keep doing it, this is going to be so easy. Okay, so now I'm about to slow it down a little bit for this second twist. Look how good that looks. So cute and so easy. Okay, so like I said, you get 2 pieces just like that. Put it together, put your natural hair in the middle and start braiding. Try to do it a little tight, but not too tight. And then you braid until you feel that it is secure. And then you start twisting to the left. And with your natural hair, you can either separate it, like put one piece of your natural hair to one side or put one on the other side, but I just put my natural hair on one side. Oh wait, no I don't. I separated it right there. So yeah, you just separate it and then just start twisting down. Y'all, this is just like the easiest hairstyle and it turns out so cute in the end. So yeah, just keep on twisting until you get to the end. All right, so the rest is pretty repetitive, y'all. So I'm just gonna show y'all one more time and then you'll see the finished look. So keep on watching.